What's up, guys? It is your girl, Linda Simpson, who that teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I am back to teach you another line dance. It's really a floor dance, but want to get it out there so you know it's out there. And there is a change in the third rotation. The name of the line dance is called 9 Factor. If you're interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. You want to dance along? You want the music? Watch till the end and we can dance together. All right? Speaking of dancing together, please check out the 4-day line dance weekend presented by Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing and myself, the NOLA Southern Experience, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. Guys, we're getting ready right now. So we've already rolled out the rooms. You can get your room right now. Registration opens June 1st, 2023. For all the details, you don't have to guess. Everything is there. Everything you want to know about the NOLA Southern Experience is at our website. To book your room, it's at our website. When registration opens, it will be at our website, www.LMIUNOLA.com. I look forward to seeing you there. Let's go. So, it's only 2 parts, guys. And on the third rotation, there's a change, okay? So let's go. So we're going to, let's go here. So stand over here on this side of the room and we're looking in this direction. So you're going to run it up. Right, left, lift. Right, left, tap. Right, left, tap. Right, left, tap. That's it. Okay? Run it up. Right, left, knee, back. Right, left, tap. Back. Right, left, tap. Right, left, tap. Okay? So when I do that tap on the right, my right heel stays up. So I'm a step pivot, right shoulder coming forward, left coaster step, step pivot, left coaster step. That's part 1. And when you do that, you'll make a half turn. Step, pivot, turn, left coaster step. Step, pivot, turn, left coaster step. Step, right, pivot forward, quarter turn, left coaster step. You do that 2 times and you'll make a half turn. When you get here, you'll repeat the same thing again. Run it up. Right, left, knee, back, right, left, tap, back, right, left, tap, back, right, left, tap. Step, right, pivot, left, left, coaster step. Step, right, pivot, left, coaster step. That's part 1. Let's put it together. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Right, 1, 2, left, 3 and 4, right, 5, 6, left, 7 and 8. Run it up. 1 and 2, back, 3, tap, 4, back, 5, tap, 6, back, 7 and 8. Step pivot. 1, 2, left, coaster step, step pivot, left, coaster step. Just like that. That's it. I'm going to give you the rotation. Let me give you the parts. So that's part 1. Part 2. Here we go. Roll. And roll. Roll. Knee, 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 and roll. Knee, knee, knee. So what I'm doing is I'm putting my weight on the right. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, left, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I'm going to add a sailor. I'll do 4 sailor steps with my right shoulder going forward, doing a half turn, okay? So it's roll to your right, putting your weight on the right, so you're slow. Slow, fast, fast, fast. Slow, fast, 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 and lifting the knee. Roll 1, 2, 3, 4, left, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sailor 1 and 2. 3 and 4, right, 5 and 6, left, 7 and 8. So what I did is I did 4 sailor steps and my right shoulder came forward, making a half turn. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. From here, I'm gonna roll out again. You guessed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, sailor. And 2, 3, and 4, 5, then 6, 7, and 8. Remember that right shoulder come forward. And let me see something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On 8, I kind of leave my heel down and pause and then go into that sailor step, okay? That's it. That's part 1 and part 2. So let's put it together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Run it up. 1 and 2. Back 3, tap 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Step pivot. 1, 2. Left 3 and 4. Right 5, 6. Left 7 and 8. Up 1 and 2. Back 3, tap 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Step pivot. 1, 2. Left 3 and 4. Right 5, 6, 7. Roll it out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left 5, 6, 7, 8. Sailor. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Roll 1, 2, 3, 4. Left 5, 6, 7, 8. Sailor. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, now that's it. So I'm gonna give you the rotation. Just a key. When I'm counting, sorry about that. When I'm counting, guys, just a note, excuse me. When I'm counting where my weight is. 1, 2. So although my knee comes up, I'm counting where my knee is. 1, 2. I am counting 2 because the knee comes up, but basically this is line dancing, and this is wherever your weight is, okay? So whenever I'm counting where my knee, what my weight is. 1 and 2, back 3 and 4, where my weight is. I'm sorry. When you count, you typically count where your weight is. Okay? 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay? So when I came up, I am putting counting with that knee up, but typically it's when the weight is down. Okay? That's where the count is. Okay, so that is it. 9 factor. At the end of this video, I will post the demo so we can dance together. So let's talk about rotation. So there's only 2 parts. So part 1, the run up and tap. You do it at this wall, you do it at this wall, you do it at this wall, and you do it at this wall. So pretty much part 1 is the verse. Okay, so you're gonna do it front, back, front, back. So when you come back here, you're gonna roll it out. Do the roll, part 2. You do it at the front wall, you do it on the back wall. That's your first rotation, okay? Then you start again. So it's a 1 wall dance. So we come back here, we start in the second rotation. The second rotation looks like the first rotation. Run up and tap at the front, back wall, front, and back wall. Then you do part 2. You roll it out just at the front and then the back, okay? Rotation 3. Rotation 3 is part 1. You're going to tap, run up and tap at the front and the back wall. You're back here. Now your first and second rotation, you did it again. You're not going to do it at the third rotation. You're going to go into your roll, okay? Roll, and then you're going to do it here. When you come back here and do your roll again, you're not going to go to your left, you're going to go to your right. This is how it looks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, sailor. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And roll it back. 1, 2, 3, 4, left, 5, 6, 7, sailor. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So what did I do? Just do. On the third rotation, I did part 2 twice. I did it the regular way, going to the front and the back wall. The second time I did it, my right shoulder came back doing the sailor step, then my right shoulder went forward doing the sailor step. okay? Then the song ends, the dance ends, just doing part one until the end of the song. Okay, run it up with the knee, come back with the tap, okay? So let me go over rotation 3 again. Rotation 3, you go up 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, step 1, turn 2, coaster 3 and 4, step 1, turn 2, coaster step 1 and 2, 3, tap 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 is 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, part 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, sailor 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, keep going, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, sailor 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, do it again, here we go, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right shoulder back, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, roll 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, forward, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, and 1 and 2. Did you see the change? That's on the third rotation. Okay, look at the demo and you know exactly what I'm talking about. That is 9 factor. Okay? Also, don't forget about checking out the NOLA Southern Experience. Pass this information on to your instructors. Instructors pass this information on to your class. Would love to see you at the NOLA Southern Experience July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. Visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.